Hello everyone, this is Matt with MH Motors, Must Have Motors. Tonight we are unboxing this Ferrari 458 Speciale. It's a Maisto Special Edition. I got it at Costco about a year ago, but just have it sitting around and getting my collection together before I really get everything unwrapped and displayed. So tonight, let's get this baby unboxed and get it checked out. So the front of the box is pretty normal for a Maisto. You can see Ferrari 458 Speciale in the description. The Ferrari emblem up in the corner. Side of the box is normal. Here you can see it did come from Costco. One of those $14.99 special pickups from Costco. You can see one in the other videos of mine where I do show what's all available at the Costco's and Sam's Club now when they do come out. So it's got the official licensed product from Ferrari emblems as well. So, all right, let's get this unwrapped. All right, so here we are, the Maisto Special Edition Ferrari 458 in yellow. One reason I did pick up this car was I do have the Bburago Signature Series 458 in red, and basically they're almost identical, different colors. I've always loved yellow on a Ferrari. And so I wanted to see the exact differences between a Signature Series edition of Bburago and the special edition of the Maisto. The Bburago should be a higher edition, more detail to it. But so far at first glance, they're pretty dang close. So I will be doing a review here in the future on this yellow one, and I will be comparing it as well with the Signature Edition, Signature Series of the Bburago. As you know, Maisto and Bburago are basically the same company, so look out for that review coming up. But real quick, we'll just kind of go through, show you just the different parts. The doors open. And I'm just going to make it easy and flip it upside down for the hood. There we go. Pretty cool engine compartment. It does have that textured carbon fiber look to it. Cool to see how the discs spin through the calipers. Not too much frills in the front. All right, thanks again everybody for watching this unboxing video of this fantastic looking yellow Maisto 458 Speciale. I will be doing a review upcoming of the Signature Series Bburago next to this Maisto. They're pretty cool complementary colors, both yellow and red. Again though, thanks again for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and smash that like. I will have a bunch of upcoming content, some great content in the future for my diecast collection. All right, thanks again everybody and have a good evening.